Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today also how to determine the dimension in AutoCAD at a time. Use of the QDMI in AutoCAD. So now I'm going to start. Polyline is taken. Sketch from here and I'm taking this one is the 40. Then going to the upwards also 40. Then I'm going to the reverse this way 10. Then downwards I'm going to downwards. This one is the 20. Sorry, 20. Enter. Now I'm going this way. I'm taking this one as the 10, and I'm going this way downwards. It's also 10. It's also 10. Then going this way. Taking this one is also 10. And going to the upwards. It's taking the 30. And going this way. It's taking 10. And join to this point. Now the drawing is done. Then QDIM is showing. So enter. Then one click going to the upward again or enter. Then it will see all dimension. Then again 2D. I am okay. Enter. Click here. Enter. And going this way. Now I am going here. Selecting this one. Again selecting first. Selecting this one. Then going here and selecting. Okay, see. Then I am selecting all things. All dimensions in sides. Then stretch it. Going over and click here. Again selecting and stretch and click on this portion. Done. Then escape from the keyboard. Again selecting whole things. Then select this one and sketch up to here and click. Okay. Then escape from the keyboard. 10, 10, 10 distance. 1 feet, 10 inch, 10, 10. I think got it everybody. How to determine the dimension at a time in AutoCAD, and also how to draw a polyline, how to use polyline in AutoCAD. Thank you so much. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share.